So we are here trying, and we will
¿Dónde pusiste la bolsa?
transform our car in a house. This is going to be our bedroom. This is our bedroom. We bought the bed. This is the mattress. It's nothing exceptional, but it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna get covered with a duvet. It's gonna be covered with sleeping bags. We got pillows. We're gonna get this one down. You're gonna see. Anana e domani mattina sveglia presto. Buonanotte! So we are here on the trail to Shannon Falls, and it's a beautiful day. And we have today a special guest with us. We have Columba taking picture, taking picture, taking picture, taking picture, retaking picture, checking the pictures, still taking pictures, other people posing for pictures, people looking at people that making video to people that making pictures, making panoramics, pictures. And that's it. Where are we?
Shannon Falls.
Where is it? We were at the falls viewpoint, and right ahead of us there is the Sea to Sky gondola base and Stawamus Chief Trails First Peak and the Sea to Sky Summit Trails. Both of these, due to COVID-19, seems to be closed, but we are going to challenge ourselves, and now we're hiking up the trail, and we don't know what's ahead of us. We just know it's gonna be an adventure, and maybe we're gonna get tired, but it's gonna be fun. Ladies are ahead, while no men are left behind. Oh wait, yes, I've been left behind. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna follow them and reach the top of the mountain. Apparently we're going. Who goes up? Who goes down? I will go down. ¿Qué pasó? Oh, cosita.
You.
Chris was here. Good for him. And we keep going up.
Ah, helicopters. Oh, qué lindo.
This is a helipad emergency platform. Sí. So we are here, or like a more precise is like we are here, but yeah. So there is first peak straight ahead, second peak towards the right. We're a bit tired. We're a bit tired. We are close, and here there is a it's not long, but yeah. Attenzione a non scivolare. We're there. Never give up, guys. Never give up. You gotta climb. You gotta climb. Yo puedo hacerlo puro también sin. Pero cuidado que es súper resbaloso.
Con estos zapatos lindos.
Sí. Sí, espera ahí. Ok, desde aquí tienes escaleras.
¿Desde dónde coño?
Al lado, ahí, bra. ¿Quieres mano? ¿Sí ayudas? Atención, que la madera también es muy resbalosa. There is some more. All good down there?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Up here, there should be the first peak of the Chief in Squamish, British Columbia, Canada, North America, American continent, surrounded by Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, on planet Earth. Here we are. Let's go. The silence is amazing.
Tengo que confesarles que lo que... Right there.
if it wasn't for me, it's pretty quiet.
If it wasn't for the job.
Squamish is down there.
What is it called?
What? Hipster?
Hipster.
Yeah.
Hipster.
Say bye, Mamo. So, yep. After a bit of time spent here on the first peak of the chief.
No nos podemos ir sin una cosa, por favor, dime que tengo batería.
No, tienes cero.
¿Qué vas a hacer? ¿Cómo podemos estar en este lugar y no poner música? O sea, una canción.
So yeah, after 99% of things that you wanted to do and we did, just the music, it was like the last goal, but we didn't
Dance it out.
Mira, mira.
You gotta dance it out.
and now we're going. So yeah, like coming back to us. Now we are heading down. It's gonna be probably the same same amount of pound. Here, people, don't let me talk. And music as well. It's been achieved. Creo que tenemos que. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so. Her shadow, her shadow, my shadow, her, me. It's steep, but it's really nice. And we see you when we are down, safe and sound. Bye. So we finally got down. It took us like about so we're here. We finally got the chance to get the camera, and we have this little monkey. She's stuck.